Hi everybody, today we're gonna show you about a game called Glore.io, and the website URL is www.glore.io. We have here, the three of us are, you might not hear us, but we have me, my friend, and my friend, okay? Okay, so, guys, are you all in, Okay, I'll make the team. There's something called teams, where it's T, or you can click up here. I'm making a team called I am number 1. My friend number 2 has asked to join. And you can see your teammates on the map. If when you want to make a base, you want to make it in a place that has both rock and tree, kind of like this place. And you need food, which we'll show you up here. And you can kill pigs for more food. You need 20 food gives you a farm, kind of like this farm right here that my friend made. Okay, yeah. Now there's some more rock over here, and eggs from chickens give you 3 food. Those aren't much. That's not much, but still, it's good. Hey Max, can I have enough for a farm? Hey, I'm number 2. Can I have enough for a farm? 2, come on, answer. Can I have enough for a farm or not? I know, I'm talking about using your farm. Thank you. I'll just wait till more carrots grow. The more you hit things or place blocks, such as these down below, your level bar grows and grows. The more it grows, the more HP you have, and the stronger your hits are. And when you hit a tree, it gives you 1 wood. No, I don't know. Okay, so I'm trying to get enough for another farm for myself, but this friend of mine is hogging the food. This is the leaderboard where it shows how much gold people have. Also, fun fact, none of the trees or stones run out. Now I'm hogging. Never mind. Also, there's wolves which chase you around and try to kill you. There aren't many wolves nearby right now. So, yeah. Cannon tuna. Should I ask him to... Oh. Okay, now I want gold. Gold is good. So I'm gonna start mining enough stone to get 1 tower that produces gold. Also, there's something called an ice monster. At night, they'll come if you make a gigantic base with lots of walls, such as these. They'll come to your village. They'll come to your base and destroy the walls. I'm just gonna decline that guy, but you'll ask 1 more time before. Ooh, Max! Ooh, I'm 2. You found a saddled pig. And I'm totally not hoarding all the food. Okay, thanks. Thank you. And the red dots on the map show you where your enemies are. This is I'm pretty sure most people could figure this out. And thanks for watching. Bye.